Oh, right there. Yup, got him. Good fish, dude. There it is. There it is. Do not come off, fish. Yeah, this is how we're filming the intro.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope you guys each and have you whatever the hell.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope each and every one of you are having an amazing day today. What? Dude, this guy's hating on my intro already. Can you just let me?
I hate you, future.
Dude, I just have
Dude, this is why you're losing the challenge.
I just have
today.
a weird feeling that like Joe's gonna win today. It's so weird.
All right, I'm gonna catch the biggest fish. Basically, you guys saw the title in the thumbnail. We are doing a little 1v1
I'm feeling a little electric.
one challenge today. Biggest fish wins. No time limit or anything. We're just gonna end it.
Train to pass or?
No, I don't really care. There's a train back there. It doesn't matter. I'll leave all their stuff down below. Go check out Pineside. You guys already know what that is. You guys have also seen Fishy Vibes on the channel before. I'll leave all their stuff down below. Thank you guys for clicking on this one. Let's go ahead and get straight into this.
But what the hell, boy?
The bass are not eating these perch, dude. Oh, right there. Go, dude. Good fish, right by the dock. Oh, right by the dock. Top water, baby. 2 pounds, 7 ounces. Go ahead, release one for me. Thanks, buddy. Got it. Scoreboard. Yup. Good fish, dude. Good fish. That's giant, guys. You get the ball? Sick. Bigger than the other one. That's giant. Unless he's hooked weird. That is giant, guys. Oh, he's hooked weird. I knew it. He was either really big or he's hooked on the side. I don't think this is gonna beat 2.7. Another solid one. We're not gonna get a weight on this guy. I don't think he's beating 2.7, but really solid. Let's get a release on him. Yes, he has a bigger one. This kid in the wacky rig, dude, I don't get it. Hold by the top.
2.12.
Man. 213.
213.
Wow.
So, that's a nice one.
Ah. Yo. Go, let's go. Another little one. There it is. There it is. Do not come off, fish. There it is, boys. That's gonna take the lead. That's gonna take the lead. That's gonna take the lead. Yeah.
2.6. Let's try that, buddy.
Damn, he had a big blow up too. Alright, I mean 2.6. Not gonna beat Joe.
Yeah, still not.
Alright, you gotta release him.
Yeah.
Come on. I don't know if he's big. dude. It's not gonna do it. Dang it. I'm trying to keep my voice down so I don't give away my spot. I cannot get one that's bigger than Joe's. I gotta catch one that's 3. His is 213. It's not gonna do it. But we're on a good pattern. They're eating the plopper again. This is good. Now I just gotta get that one big bite. We were doing like a 5-fish limit. I would have all of them by a mile. Unfortunately, we're not. That fish ate it up on that shallow flat up there. Should be a big one somewhere over here though. Gotta get him. There we go. Come on. That's a good fish. That's a good one. Yeah, that's a good one, guys. Come on, dude. Oh yeah, come on. That might be him. Come on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ugh. Dude, I don't know. Oh, do you guys think that's gonna do it? Man, I gotta check, right? I don't think so, but I gotta check. He's really close. If it was just a little longer, that would have it.
2.7.
Wait, it's not 2.7.
It's 2.7.
It's not 2.7. It's not that small.
It's 2.7.
No, your scale's wrong.
That's what she said.
No way.
Dude.
You're telling me that's not a 3-pound fish?
I don't think it's 3 pounds.
No, that's not a...
See you, buddy. You know, guys, I really thought I had it with that fish, but guess not. All right, we're not giving up here. We are not giving up. I think I can get a 3-pounder. I just got to grind it out. They're fishing the opposite side of the lake, but that's fine. Joe's gotten his big ones over there, but I'm confident in my little points over here that we can get a big one to bite. I mean, I'm catching so many, way more than anyone else. Yup, there it is. He destroyed it, dude. Come on. Come on. It's not gonna beat him. Man. Oh, it might. He's gonna fall just short again, dude. I've been catching so many just 2.5 pounders. Nothing that's gonna get up there by Joe. Dude, that sucks. I'm still gonna weigh him though. Yep, 2.6. No, alright. Really solid fish, but it's not gonna beat him. Alright, let's get a release on him. Thank you for the bite, my friend. Please be 3 pounds and need a 3-pounder, dude.
Life is what you make it. I feel like a maze. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on drip I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance.